Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Jeep Gladiator faster. We'll cover key areas to boost your truck's performance. First, consider engine modifications like a cold air intake, which can add 10 to 15 horsepower. Next, upgrading your exhaust system can improve airflow and sound. Finally, we'll look at how adjusting your gearing can dramatically change your Gladiator's acceleration, making it feel much more responsive on and off the road. Let's dive into specific engine and intake upgrades. A high-flow cold air intake is a great starting point, allowing your engine to breathe easier and gain a noticeable bump in power. Pair this with a performance exhaust system to further reduce restrictions and improve engine sound. For serious power, consider forced induction like a supercharger or turbocharger, which can increase horsepower by 30% or more, transforming your Gladiator's acceleration. Beyond the engine, drivetrain and suspension play a crucial role. Regearing your axles to a lower ratio, such as 4:88 or 5:13, will significantly improve your Gladiator's acceleration, especially with larger tires. Reducing unsprung weight by choosing lighter wheels and tires also makes a difference in how quickly your truck responds. Additionally, upgrading suspension components can help transfer power more efficiently to the ground, improving overall performance. Finally, don't overlook the power of a good engine tune. A custom tune can optimize your Gladiator's engine for any modifications you've made, ensuring maximum horsepower and torque gains. This fine-tuning adjusts fuel delivery and ignition timing for peak performance. Remember, consistent maintenance is key to keeping your high-performance Gladiator running smoothly. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.